Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you here how you actually started to use Trello, and this we are going to be really absolutely understood through what it should be really satisfied for making this kind of thing very important to deal with what it can be said through this situation. So to use Trello is actually to be very important to deal with that. So first of all is about to go for creating a board like this. Click on create a board, and then once you create a board, add a list or strategies or card or categories or cards, labels, members, and choosing for everything that it should be right here. For adding cards like this, add a list like this for this situation. So we are going to archive right here list, so I will provide for you. You click here on add another list. You're gonna start to add it, add some cards, and click on the card to add some labels or descriptions that it should be right here, or adding some members that it should be really on this situation that should be right now, guys. Through this moment, as you can understand, that is still to be here on this progress on this moment, as you can understand, and that is all about here to help you.